Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Solar Lights Outdoor Hanging Solar Lantern 6-pack. This is suitable for a garden, as a garden light, patio, whatever, landscape. Has a few functions. It comes in, I think you can order, here you can see, you can order as a 2-pack, 4-pack or 6-pack. And here is the functionality or description. It says small and portable, auto on off, soft candle flicker effect, water or weatherproof IP44, which is of course not diving, but should be okay for a few raindrops. And it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So it has a quite good reputation. It comes for about $50. It's the 6-pack, and it has a 4-star review on average. 1 star, of course, it has a few 1-star reviews, about 10%. So it's always the most interesting part to see what people are saying who are giving just 1 star, and most of the people are saying these lights are really small, they are not very strong, but this is not there are not a lot of people saying that. Most of the complaints are that they stopped working after short time. So some people say it lasted a week, some say lasted 2 weeks, some say lasted a month. You have 1 month to return, so you better start using them after you take it out of the box. And most people say so. Like 50% are dying after 1 season. That's not very positive, but it's hard to find something else, so it's always a problem with solar lights. So here we have the box. It's very basic. Here you can see it's no additional box, no box in the box. It came just like this. So there's a user manual. It's not very big. It says the lantern can be either charged by solar panel or battery. I don't know. Probably you are able, if you have an like emergency, you did not have enough sun to charge and you want to use them, you can probably put in normal batteries, but of course you have to be careful because when you charge, then when you leave the normal batteries in, the lantern will try to charge and they could explode. I don't know if this is really intended. Maybe it's just my assumption. So so basically there's a sensor and it should automatically turn on when it's dark enough. And the light is a real candle effect and it's waterproof. Okay, here we have the specifications. Hope you can see that. So fully charge time is 8 hours with full sunlight, and they last for 6 to 9 hours fully charged. You have some installation steps. You can find them on Amazon, but maybe after some time the listing will be gone, so I'm showing everything to you. Hope you can read that. It's a little bit hard to focus. It's really not easy. Maybe there's not enough light. Here you see that. Remove the protective film. Second, check the battery if it's connected well. Third, turn on the switch to auto and then hang the light to anywhere you want. Make sure the solar is on the direct sunlight, of course. And here again, Yeah, tension, blah blah blah. But same thing, I think. Please avoid soaking into the water. Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's IP44. That's definitely not a good idea to soak it. So I take one out of the box. I'm not doing this with all the 6 ones, but I'm showing you one. So it's, yeah, very basic wrapping thing, some insulation. So it looks, so this is my hand. My hand has average size, so it's not super big, it's not super small. The solar panel is rather small. Yeah, it has a protective film. It's definitely a good idea to remove. I had a solar light, outdoor light, and I didn't remove, and after some time this film turned really cloudy and it was almost impossible to remove, so you better do that at the beginning. So it does look like a candle, except the blaze. I don't know why, but yeah, so here we have the on off. You see it's on off, so we can put it on. Doesn't work, so I'll turn off the light. Okay, so I turned off the light and this is the result, what we have. So it doesn't look too bad. I mean, I'm able to read this instruction just with the light of the candle. Without, I wouldn't be able. So yeah, I mean, it's not possible. I think it's yeah, it's not a good idea to read a whole book with this thing, and you probably won't be able to have a nice dinner just with one candle. Maybe with 6 or 8 or 10 would be possible. I don't know. So the thing is, of course, the most of the light go to the side. When you hang it out, you can see the shade. The shade is expanding. So because of this, yeah, because of the basically the design, it has a huge bottom plate, and that makes it, yeah, there's no light coming down. So when you lift it up, so it will turn everything into shade. I mean, if you have 4 of them in every corner of your table, so yeah, at the end you will probably have everything nicely illuminated. Yeah. Oh, here, yeah, I didn't see that. The light actually is coming from the top. So even when you look at that, you think the light is coming from the candle, but obviously the light is not coming from the candle. The light is coming from the top. Yeah, it's a little bit annoying, not super annoying. I mean, you have to decide. So I'm just showing it from the side again, so you can make up your mind. Yeah, when you look close, I mean, you can really see that the blaze is missing. But if you have it just sitting in a corner, probably will realize that there's no blaze and the light is coming from the top. The light is, I think it's some kind of warm light, I would say. It's not a cold light, it's some kind of warm light. That's a good thing, at least as far as I can see. And it's a little bit flickering, so it's imitating candlelight. So yeah, I mean, actually not a really bad thing. It's a surprise that the battery is down here. So I turn on the light again. So yes, the battery and the on-off switch is here. So let's open. Try to open that. So here you can see that how it looks. So it's pretty easy. You can it's a standard battery. Oh wow, this already popped out. But I can push it in, of course, should work again. Yeah, it's a standard, I think it's a 600 milliampere. Hold on, try to focus again. It's a nickel metal hybrid, and it's 600 milliampere hours. I don't know if you can buy. I mean, you definitely can buy such batteries with higher capacity, like up to I think 2000 milliamps, and maybe then you have more light. I mean, not stronger light, but it lasts for the whole night. But of course, you will have to charge it. So anyway, or you can use normal standard batteries which you can buy at the supermarket. But of course, then you have to be careful to take them out before the sun comes out the next morning and tries to charge this battery, and then it could explode. I think this is my understanding. So I put it in. So how difficult is it to put it in back in? Not too hard. Yeah, it's a little bit strange. So I think I'll do that later when I see more. It's a little bit tight. It's definitely a little bit tight. This is the switch here. Yeah, so it's definitely not the most expensive material, but it's maybe also not the cheaper thing. So you can't open it from the side like usually these candle lights. You can be opened, but there's no need to open because you don't have to replace candles. Yeah, so that's it. I think it's not a bad thing. Yeah, maybe I can check this as well, the clamp. That's a difficult thing, I mean an important thing. So let's try this. I'll use that paper and try to clip. Oh, that's really strong. Yeah, you better don't use your finger to try. This is really strong, and the opening, it can be opened quite, yeah, it can't be turned. The thing is, this ring prevents to close it fully. You see that? Hope you can see that. So it's hard to close it fully on this side and to open fully on this side. Yeah, and it's really super strong. This is the maximum. This is about, yeah, the size of a finger. This is the maximum which you can open, and this is really strong. So when you clip this to a metal, it will definitely, or let's say easily, damage the surface or the surface. Yeah, if you have like really sensitive material, you should cover it with something. I don't know if you can, something in between, like put a plastic or something in between, because this is really tough. This is a really tough clamp, and when you use this on like a painted metal, that high chance that it leaves some marks, definitely. So yeah, it is as it is. There is not much more to tell about. I think I will definitely put them out in the sun, or put it down on the floor. Yeah, the thing is, it's now not flat because of the battery, but apart from that, I think it would be flat. So I think I'm planning to put it down on the floor and have some light on the floor and I hope it will be waterproof, and so I don't need the clip. Maybe I will even remove that when I see that I don't use that, because it's just yeah, preventing the light a little bit of shining onto the solar panel. So yeah, maybe I will remove that over time when I see that it works really good on the floor. So that's it. I think 15 minutes is definitely enough for a solar light, but I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.